Hello once again. Now coming back to the same chapter, deep water. We were discussing deep water. I was telling you the summary of deep water. As I have told you in part 1 that the child, the author, was much afraid and he had almost drowned but was saved by some persons, and the big boy who had tried to bully him and who had pushed him said sorry to him. But in his mind, the author had developed a fear of the water in his mind. अब डर बैठ गया उस बच्चे के मन में. अब उस डर को कैसे ओवरकम किया उसने? इस डर को ओवरकम करना, जब हमारी माइंड में कोई फियर आ जाता है, किसी चीज का डर बैठ जाता है, हम उसको कैसे ओवरकम कर सकते हैं? So this is where the author, and this is a very important part for all of you, not just from the angle of chapter, not just from the angle कि तुमने question answers जवाब देने हैं, but from the angle to deal your life. This part deals with your life. हमारे मन में कोई डर बैठ जाए, if we are afraid of something, how to overcome the fear, right? तो वो बच्चा, he was a child at that time. Now जब भी whenever he would go for fishing or for maybe boating, he would never enjoy it. He stopped enjoying fishing. He stopped enjoying boating. All his trips were ruined. Ruined means spoiled. He was able to do nothing related to water. Now the author, he was a child. He tried to overcome his fear in every manner, but he failed. He failed in every attempt. It was in vain that he tried and tried. Then ultimately, one fine day in October, he decides that I have to now learn swimming, and come what may, I have to overcome my fear. मैंने अपने डर के ऊपर जीत पानी है. This is where what is important and the most important part of the chapter. Correct? So then he hires a swimming instructor who ties a cable. There is a cable which is on the top of the pool, and a rope is tied around his waist. उसकी waist के आसपास एक rope बांध देते हैं, और उस केबल के थ्रू उसको निकाल के, and the rope is in the hand of the instructor. So the instructor teaches him to swim. So बहुत बारी he becomes afraid in between, but he's sure that he'll be saved because the rope is in the hand of the instructor. Correct? So step by step, the author learns to swim, and then the coach, he tells him to put his mouth in water, teaches him to breathe in water, and step by step, the author learns to breathe in water. Correct? So once he's learned to breathe in water, then the last step is that the coach tells him to cross the length of the pool. पूरी एक लेंथ स्विमिंग करने के लिए उसको बोलते हैं, and he's able to do that fearlessly. So अब कोच की जॉब खत्म हो गई, and the coach says, okay, now you are free, you have overcome some of the fear. So अब उसको सारे स्टेप सीखने के बाद, but the writer was still afraid. He was still afraid कि whether I will be able to overcome my fear, whether I will be able to swim again. उसको अभी भी डर था. तो this went on for around 4 months. He was not satisfied. He would try a little bit swimming. कभी कहीं जाना, he would went to the lake Wentworth, and then in New Hampshire. He would swim in Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire, and he swam 2 miles across the lake. Only once the terror returned. When he was in the middle of the lake, he put his face under the water. He saw nothing but bottomless water. The old fear returned. But soon all fear fled and he swam on. Now this was once उसको दोबारा से डर लगा when he was the middle of Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire. When he was in the middle, जब बिल्कुल बीच में था, उसको एकदम fear वापस आया. But then he tried and he overcame his fear. Correct? Then but still he had some doubts remaining. So one day he said कि he camped by the side of the warm lake. The next morning, he dived into the lake. He swam across to the other side of the shore and back. He shouted with joy now because he had overcome his fear. जो उसने डर था उसको उसने overcome कर लिया था. And he had conquered his fear of water. तो जो राइटर का एक्सपीरियंस क्या है इसमें पूरे चैप्टर में? What is his experience? The writer experiences in death there is peace. There is terror only in the fear of death. Just like Roosevelt has once said, all we have to fear is fear itself. हमें डर किस चीज का होता है? डर का डर होता है. अगर हम किस चीज को genuinely एफर्ट करते हैं, we are able to overcome that fear. The writer experienced both the sensation of dying and terror of dying. So, this is a brief summary of the chapter Deep Water. We will, after I finish some summaries, then I will come up with question answers and important questions and some easy way to answer all the questions. Okay, this is good for you for today, students. Okay, have a nice day.